let's discuss about the Operand-Haldane theory, which is also known as the chemical theory or chemical evolution, proposed by Operand and Haldane. Okay, and it is the most accepted theory which tells us about the origin of life, and it tells about the abiogenesis, that it is because of the abiogenesis that the origin of life occurs. Abiogenesis means that first primitive cell, it arises from the inorganic molecules which are present on the earth. That first living cell, first primitive living cell, it arises from the inorganic molecules. But when the first living cell it form, then later on biogenesis occur. Okay, मीन्स पहले abiogenesis हुई, then उसके बाद later on biogenesis occur. Now what is biogenesis? That when first life arises, first living cell it form, then the rest of the living cells or rest of the life it originate from the living organism. Okay, biogenesis means that any life it originates from the pre-existing living organism of their same kind, and abiogenesis means that the first living cell it arises from the inorganic molecules. क्यों? क्योंकि सबके जो माइंड में एक क्वेश्चन आता है कि जो फर्स्ट लाइफ थी वो कहाँ से अराइज हुई. सो द फर्स्ट लाइफ इट अराइजेस फ्रॉम द inorganic molecules. Okay, and this is known as abiogenesis. Now how the formation of the inorganic molecules occur? That on the primitive earth, what was the temperature at that time? It was around 4000 to 8000 degrees Celsius, which prevented the atoms to form molecules. Means because of this high temperature, the atoms they were not able to combine to form the molecules, because their bonds they will get break down because of this high temperature. So as the earth cooled down, the elements that were present in the primitive atmosphere like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and carbon, they reacted to form the first molecules like ammonia, methane, carbon dioxide and water vapor. Okay, so as these first molecules which were formed on the primitive earth, they were inorganic. They were inorganic, so that's why it is known as inorganic molecules. And how these bonds they get the energy to form the molecules? They get the energy from the sunlight, lightning or from the volcanic eruptions.